welcome to All About. Today we're going to take a look at another Copic marker and we're going to underpaint it, blend it, and we're going to give you two combinations so you can use in your own projects. I'm Elena from violetaink.com and we carry Copic markers in the sketch series, ink refills, and the nib replacements. Thank you. We are going to start by building a fence with BG09, and then we're going to go on top of it with BG07 and BG05. This is the natural family combination, and as you can see, it's going to blend very, very well. This is what we're going to use to underpaint our 43. Don't be afraid, it'll cover it, you'll see. And we're going to use the same BG09, BG07, BG05 is going to desaturate BG09. And now this is the bonus combination. This is a combination that we're going to give you every week, an extra one. And then you can also get more in our series called Undercover. It's with vanillaarts.com, and you will find a link in the description below. The only Prismacolor pencil that I did find that I think is the best is gonna be PC105. Don't press too hard at the beginning. Press a little bit and then add layers to it, because depending on how hard you press with the marker is depending how hard you need to press with the pencil. Now the staining test. In my opinion, it's not going to be erased. You can probably move it a little bit, but it's not going to be completely erased. So just be careful on this one. And of course, in this part, I just want to mention that when I flick away from my body. And here I am flicking upside down because of the camera. So I don't have to be moving the paper a lot, so I don't get you all dizzy. So that's why my flicks are so random and going out of not coloring inside the lines. But anyway, just wanted you to know that. And here, as you can see, I'm trying to fix it, but I'm using an R43. All the R's are going to be difficult to erase. We don't erase with the colorless blender, we move it to another place. But they don't move very well when they are the staining kind of markers, which in this case is the R. So this is the bonus combination. And we are not underpainting on the top. I think the difference between the family combination and the bonus combination this time is that the family one looks more aqua, and the bonus one is going to give us a little bit more of the green color. This is the part where I underpainted, and we're also going to use the bonus combination for that one. And again, I'm trying to fix the little details in that, and it's not moving it much. So I guess the staining test results is going to be no, it won't move too much. So be careful with it. Let us know what is your favorite combination using BG09. So what we did today is the natural family combination, BG09, BG07, and BG05. We're underpainting with R43. Underpainting is going to desaturate BG09. And then the bonus combination, BG09, BG57, and BG13. In the description below, you will find a download where you will get the same template that I use to do my swatches. And I would love if you can show us what is it that you're experimenting with. You will also find the links to all our social media, so tag us so we can see what is it that you're doing. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.